Hey guys, Captain Fructose here. Today I'm showing you guys, well, a thing happened. Let me show you. So this is my car, right? Well, I got in an accident, and as you can see, the back end got smushed in. If I close this, it's a little easier to see the damage that was done. And unfortunately, the insurance has decided that my car is not worth fixing and totaled it out, which is unfortunate because I love this car. But I've actually decided to buy it back from the insurance because it was like $200 for me to just keep it. So I'm still getting money from the insurance to get a new car, but I've still got this one, which I mean, the rest of it's still fine. It's just that back end that got smushed in. I am pulling the trunk apart to see what I can do with it, and I may part it out. I don't know. But I'm in the process of taking it apart, so it's gonna be all sorts of fun. I'm thinking about turning it into just like a straight up race car, and that's it, because I mean, I don't know what else to do with it. The frame's bent and the whole back end's crushed in, so I don't know that I can really restore it. I don't have the tools or the money to pay somebody to restore it. So I am getting a new car, and this one's probably gonna become a race car. So that's what's happened, and that's why my videos have been kind of sporadic lately. I've just been dealing with the insurance, and you know, recovering after being rear-ended pretty hard. It actually broke my driver's seat when I got hit, so that was fun. But yeah, so that's what I've been working on, so you guys know what's going on. Yeah, so maybe this will be a race car. I don't know. If you guys want update videos on this, let me know in the comments below. Okay, so I've got most of the interior pulled out of the car now, and it's bent worse than I thought. So here, check this out. Let me move my legs out of the way. So that's where it's bent. You can see all the bent stuff. Get my seatbelt out of the way. So you can see where it bent, like right in through here, through there, of course, right there where it hit. Bent that whole thing back. Bent right here, probably because of this welded piece of metal that was back in here. Stopped it from bending right here, so it bent down here. So this whole back area is just all crushed in. So I don't know if I'm going to be able to bend that back out. This is obviously where the spare tire goes. I don't think I'm going to be able to bend that back out. So it might end up being a custom built car. I might just cut all of this off and start welding and see what I come up with. At least that's what I'm thinking so far. I don't know. There's a lot of damage, and I already bought the car back from the insurance, so it's mine. So I got to figure out something to do with this thing. I have always wanted to build a custom car, so maybe this is my opportunity. I don't know. We will find out. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, guys, and thank you so much for joining me on this wonderful adventure, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!